Hello, myself Sunil Ramakrishna, and here basically we are talking about one topic, that is global warming, currencies dependency, and basically the ideas. So, like this, basically we are talking about one topic, that is the currencies dependency and currency dependency are connected with the uh, ideas, and ideas basically are connected with the global warming. So, like this, basically things are basically there, right? So, in this, basically we are discussing about one topic, that is cities creation. In this, basically, we are talking about the set of words which are telling that uh, we have created the set of words, and we have created the set of cities basically on the basis of the set of words. So one of the person asked the question basically. This 11 parts basically, which is divided of the Earth planet, which basically Earth planet is divided into 11 parts. So 11 parts basically contains which type of words basically from that inside the data, which type of universe word basically are there. Then it on that basically on the base of that basically the railway system is created. For example, in railway system basically you can see the railway system. That railway system is created on the base of that set of land only, and the set of land basically the 20 lakh people basically are created. Then it the years basically. So it's like that basically. So somebody basically told that basically we are trying to decode the our planet land also basically. Like this basically they created 20 lakh people, and 20 lakh people basically generated energies, and basically then on the base of that basically they created planets also basically. So like these things also basically are there basically. Like this also basically things are basically there. So in this basically we are discussing what basically. Currently we are discussing about 20% error. Most of things basically 20 to 200 people basically error, that also we have discussed. 11 parts also basically we have discussed. Earthquake is equal to incidence, that also basically almost discussed. That basically incidents are basically predefined. uh, for example, you are going to there and then basically you are not getting the job, that is connected with your pre-incidence basically. The earthquakes are connected, and in this earthquake basically you also came into that picture basically. So like this basically things are basically there. So like this incidents basically are designed by the Canada, Japan. Nobody basically can reach you, nobody can reach to up to that place basically. Why? Because it's high tech security basically. You, if you want the visa also, then also basically you require lots of money. So it's not possible to reach to Canada, it's not possible to reach to USA, it's not possible to use to Europe, it's not possible to use to reach to Dubai, it's not possible to reach to Singapore basically. It's not possible basically. Why? Because it required lots of money. Singapore basically also required lots of money basically nowadays, because to get the PR also basically you have to do lots of circulation basically, lots of things basically you have to do. If company selects your resume, then only basically they connects with you, and lots of things basically happens basically. Lots of things happen basically. So it's very difficult to get the visa. So this type of country basically do the process of incidents basically, that is the earthquake incident, and this also basically most of things basically we have discussed. And related to the cyber cell group basically, the cyber cell group basically there are around 1 crore people basically in cyber cell industry. They basically give the punishment, but they basically are giving the punishment that is basically the positive for them, and the people who gets the punishment that is negative from them basically. That basically nobody can, and due to assume that basically from this 200 people, the story which we have taken, in these 200 people assume that some person is there basically who is connected with the cyber cell punishment, then this cyber cell group basically will be responsible for this 50 crore ended basically. So that basically we have already taken basically. So sound effects basically is there. For example, one person told that the earth planet basically whenever it moves basically it's giving some different sound effects basically. Then one of the person told that basically yes, you are correct here basically, it gives some different sound, because he told that basically whenever the earth planet moves basically, that time the sound basically connects to the universe, and basically it connects to some different sound basically. The reason is whenever the earth planet move, that time basically the energy of earth planet also basically moves. So like this basically set of words basically has created earth, planet, sorry, the cities, and words basically connects to set of stories also basically you can say, which is also basically moving in the universe basically. And set of words basically are connected, and that might possible that basically whenever earth, planet will be might be moving or basically is moving, that time basically some sound effect basically might be coming. It might possible that some word basically might be coming out from the sound basically. It might possible basically, but exactly basically you can say, then basically you can tell, then only basically you get the real sound basically. That also basically when you reach to the satellite, that time only basically you can tell this basically. So now basically in other thing basically, that basically each and every cities basically are created from words, right? Basically each and every cities are created from words, and words basically are created from cities, and cities are basically created from the nuclear power companies, and nuclear power companies has the data of the 22 blood groups data. They basically creates the cities basically. So it's like that basically. So blood group basically are creating the set of words basically, or basically you can say the words basically are creating the, on the base of words basically the cities are created basically. And the sound effects also basically comes on the set of this word only. So one person told that basically I want this word in the universe basically. Then what should I do basically? Then he told that basically you have to set this type of environment basically. If I want that word basically, then you have to set this type of environment. So up to that level, the universe group has basically, Earth planet group basically, which are basically in universe, they have done the stuff basically. So like this basically, Earth planet basically has reached up to very tough level basically. Tough means up to this level the group basically has reached. That's why basically you can say tough also basically, and if any new person basically want to join that group basically, then it's basically tough for that particular person basically, because set of words basically connect creating the set of cities basically combination that has 3,75,000 cities. When it moves to the universe, that time basically this exact word has to be connect to the universe basically. So it's very difficult basically for, but it's challenging basically, that also you can say basically. So set of words, set of cities, set of sound connects to the universe, like this basically lots of things basically are there. So in next video basically we are going to see a little bit more about this.